The CDC group looked at data from the NIH-sponsored mix and match study, which was a study that had 10 sites recruiting around the United States. The University of Washington School of Medicine was one of those sites and was recruiting participants for the study. The mixing and matching study and data that we have to date shows that it is safe and also effective at creating a strong immune response. The data are still coming in. We're still studying this, but at this point, we are seeing that this is a safe option. So I think we have learned a lot since we started those studies early on. We did do the 3 arms that were presented were people who received a Moderna booster, a Johnson & Johnson booster, and then a Pfizer booster. So we were able to study all of these different combinations. The mix and match study enrolled overall about 450 people. There were 50 people in each stage. So we had 50 people who received Johnson & Johnson in the initial stage and then were boosted with Moderna. And similarly, 50 people who received Moderna and were boosted with Moderna, and so on. We have followed participants now for at least 29 days. We have some participants that are coming on 3-6 months. And so far, we haven't seen any safety signal at all. The mix and match strategy in particular does give people a lot of options. There was a preliminary results presented that showed that doing a booster of any type really does increase the immune response, no matter what primary vaccine series you received. That means that really you can receive any booster and be confident that you're going to get a strong response. The other thing, it will give more flexibility to pharmacies, vaccine campaigns, that you don't need to be so strict about matching exactly what they got the first time around. For the Pfizer, they approved a full dose, and for the Johnson & Johnson, the full dose. So it's the same exact thing as people received during the EUA campaign. For Moderna, they actually approved a half dose of the original EUA vaccine. And that was based on a study that looked at, compared the half dose to the full dose. And it was felt that the half dose provided enough of a boost that the full dose wasn't needed. So there are several different strategies there as well.